Hey everyone. I know in today's society we have a lot of things that we'll consider disposable. So when they break, you just toss them and buy a new one. Sometimes that can be expensive. It also means a lot of waste being generated. So I wanted to show you a situation where you could potentially save a little money, but also try and reduce what goes into the landfills. So this is one of those tiny little Gazelles, like a cross-country skier. You get on and you kind of make a skiing motion, but you can also use your arms. And there's cylinders here that provide resistance. There's cables in the back that suspend the rear of the platforms. I noticed some extra play in the cable, so when I took it apart, I noticed this here. This is a good bushing. Notice on this end, that bushing is worn just about all the way through. To the point where that side is gone and it's actually wearing out the cable bracket as well. So I had kind of two options. I did contact the company, and unfortunately this model is very old and they don't sell the parts for it anymore. So I'm unable to get those replacement bushings or cables. However, did a little bit of hunting and I found the exact same model on one of the local social media marketplaces. So this one here had not been used in several years. They were looking to free up space, so I took a look at it and grabbed it, and it was for a pretty good price. Brand new, the models with the resistance cylinders go for about $300. And I like the resistance because it definitely gives you, in my opinion, a better workout. It does have some defective parts on it. The cup holder's broken, and the left foot pad is kind of coming up and is not in good shape. And so this is, it kind of was off. I took this and washed it off in the sink a little bit. It actually helped it gain a little bit of tackiness, but it's not enough. I've checked all over and I can't find any other adhesive in the house. So I found some double-sided tape. I'm gonna just try a little of that out of desperation. One never knows. Well, let's see if that works. Let's try and get this lined up. That's not bad, you know what? Let's put some weight on it, let it set up a bit, and we'll see if that will be enough. Let's replace the broken cup holder. Ooh, yeah. Batteries are absolutely destroyed. That's not good. The batteries had leaked a long time ago, and a quick attempt to sand the rust from the terminals exceeded my patience for this project. So I put the module in the "I'll get to it later" pile and grabbed the module from the other machine. That's a good sign. Check all fasteners, make sure that everything is snug. Don't want it to fall apart while using it. All right, looks like we're back in business. Hope you enjoyed this video, just to show you that you don't have to go spend a whole lot of money on replacing something completely. You can find stuff online, just take a look at it, see if it's still in good shape. And in the case of this one here, a little bit of TLC, was able to get it up and running back into good shape using pieces from the old one. So I guess next question is going to be is what to do with that one. So I may look at the bushings to see if that's something I can maybe find at a hardware supplier, like like a MasterCard or something like that, or a Granger. So I'll take a look and see what I can find. Maybe for a few bucks I can find replacement parts, and then be able to put that one up for sale as a so that somebody else can get use out of it. So we'll see. As always, thank you so much for watching. Please hit that like button, hit the subscribe button, notification bell, so that way it helps the algorithm. Till the next video, see you later.